The TROND rotating surge protector is designed to maximize outlet access and minimize clutter. Featuring 6 AC outlets, it accommodates bulky plugs without blocking neighboring ports, perfect for crowded spaces or complex setups. It includes 4 USB charging ports to simultaneously power phones, tablets, and other devices without the need for extra adapters. The unit offers 1,440 joules of surge protection, safeguarding your electronics against power spikes and voltage fluctuations. The low-profile angled flat plug fits behind furniture, while the 5-foot extension cord provides flexible placement options in offices, bedrooms, and workspaces. We give it 2 electrifying thumbs up. Grab one today and simplify your charging setup.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.